$10. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Peggy Tjin's 10 Cooking Show.
In today's edition, I'm going to prepare a lovely chili with tenderloin. I know, I'm indulging, I'm spoiling myself rotten, but it's going to be a one-pan dish with a lot of fiber and a lot of healthy stuff. Now my budget today. The tenderloin was $3. I paid $1 for the beans, $1 for the bell peppers. If I add one more $1 for all the miscellaneous ingredients, you and I can do the math. It's far within my budget. But let me tell you about the ingredients first today. I have a tenderloin, which is sliced up in little cubes. I'm going to add some lemon zest, 2 bay leaves, half a teaspoon of 5 spices, which is a Chinese ingredient, Madame Jeanette, which is a very beautiful aromatic pepper, chopped onions, garlic, some curry ketchup. However, you can use a ketchup and add some curry, same effect. A cup of beans, and I'm going to use some brown beans for this. Chopped bell peppers, a cinnamon stick, which I broke in two, which I hope is going to give me a little bit more flavor than just the whole stick. And I'm going to top it off with some ginger chips. Now, don't forget the grated Parmesan on top of your dish, because that's going to top it off, and this chili is going to be the bomb. So let's start cooking. I'm going to turn the burner on a medium to low flame because I don't want this to cook too fast. I want it to simmer a little bit. But I do want the meat to be cooked. Although this is tenderloin, don't overcook it. The shorter you cook it, the softer and more tender it stays. So I'm going to add the beans immediately in the pan with the juices, the chopped red onions. I would say like 2 tablespoons, a tablespoon of garlic, the cinnamon sticks and the bell peppers. Just add it all in the pan, mix it and stir it. Half a teaspoon of 5 spices. Now that's going to give it an amazing flavor. Some Madame Jeanette or any other pepper that you prefer, maybe jalapeno or whatever you can find. Bay leaves. Add your curry ketchup. Now if you don't have any curry ketchup, just mix some ketchup with some curry powder and it's the same effect. Some lemon zest or lime, whatever you have, it's both good, but it just gives it an extra flavor and a lot of vitamin C's actually, because they are in the skin. Now if you see that your sauce is a little bit too thick, you can always add some water to smoothen it up a little bit. Now cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. End, at your 3rd or 4th minute, turn the burner on a very high flame, just to make sure that it's really nice and hot. So after 5 minutes, you're good to go. Now do you see the bubbles at the end? That means it's really hot and it's cooking and steaming hot. Now that's your cue that your dish is ready. Now I'm going to serve this in a very festive way in a sorbet glass. Sprinkle some Parmesan, and of course, ginger chips. Now, bon appetito from Peggy with love. Now, if you need today's recipe, go to peggytjin.com or go to your local channel's website. See you next time, darling.
You're good to go. Peggy Tjin's 10 Cooking Show.